Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make a delicious Mangalorean style prawns curry known as Sungta Phanna Upkari in the Konkani cuisine. This is a dryish curry, more masala than curry, that uses very few very basic ingredients to bring out all the delicious flavors. And you can always add more water to the curry to alter the consistency of the curry based on your preferences. So let's get started, shall we? For making this prawns curry, you need 1.5 pounds of raw prawns or shrimp, 2 to 2 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 cups of finely chopped onions, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, and 1 cup of water. Start with marinating the prawns. And for this recipe, it's best to use small to medium size raw prawns. I always use the ones that are deveined too, with tail off. For marination, add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. The rest of the salt will be added to the curry, and 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and let the prawns marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then in a wide bottomed pan, lightly heat up the oil and add in the chopped onions and rest of the salt, 1/2 to 3/4 teaspoon based on your preference. Mix well and saute the onions till they turn golden brown. This step takes time and patience, but it is crucial, so don't skip or rush it. And it might seem like a lot of onions at first, but not after you brown it. Also, using a wide bottomed pan will help speed up this process of browning onions, and also help you achieve the dryish consistency of this curry, which is why it's best to use it. Once the onions have turned golden brown, add in the Kashmiri chili powder and red chili powder. Kashmiri chili gives more color and red chili adds more spice. You can adjust the quantities of the two based on your preference. Mix the masalas in and saute for 1 to 2 minutes, and add a splash of water if required to avoid the masalas from getting burnt. Then add in the tamarind extract and mix it in. Some use tomatoes instead of tamarind for adding a little bit of sourness to balance out the spice, but for the authentic taste, it's best to stick to tamarind. Finally, add in the marinated shrimp along with fresh water and give everything a quick mix. And like I said earlier, you can add more than the 1 cup water mentioned in the recipe if you prefer a more liquidy curry. Just remember to adjust the salt and spice accordingly. Cook covered for about 10 minutes on medium flame. And then about 10 minutes without the lid on, so that the water in the curry reduces a bit. When the prawns are cooked and the water in the curry has reduced, prawns masala is ready. And there you have it, delicious Mangalorean style prawns curry. Serve it with chapatis or fulkas, or even pair it with rice, and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!